Today, we're going to explore 9 incredible drinks that can not only improve your heart health but also help prevent diseases like heart attacks. These drinks are not only delicious but packed with nutrients that your heart will thank you for. You're watching the InfoIndex, where learning never stops. Let's get started. Our first stop on this heart-boosting journey is pomegranate juice. Did you know that pomegranates are considered the only fruits specially designed for your heart's well-being? The secret lies in their special antioxidants, which work wonders in keeping your blood vessels healthy and preventing them from hardening and narrowing. But there's more. Pomegranates also excel at lowering blood pressure and are chock full of polyphenols, those magical micronutrients that reduce inflammation and enhance blood flow. They even stimulate blood cell production, and you can keep tabs on your blood cell health with a CBC test. What's more, dark fruit juices like Concord grapes and pomegranates deliver all the heart-boosting benefits of red wine without the alcohol. Up next, we have a favorite morning companion, coffee. But we're not talking about any coffee. It's the black coffee that takes center stage. Did you know that individuals who consume 3 to 5 cups of black coffee a day dramatically reduce their risk of heart disease, stroke, and heart failure? It's the powerful combination of caffeine, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties that work their magic. However, be cautious about overindulging, as too much coffee can make you jittery. Avoid creamers that are high in saturated fats, sugar, and empty calories. They won't do your heart any favors. Now, let's explore the calming world of tea. Black and green tea, brimming with flavonoids, are the heart's best friends. These plant chemicals are known for their inflammation-reducing properties and their ability to combat plaque buildup in your arteries. With half the caffeine content of coffee, tea is a fantastic option for those who are sensitive to caffeine's effects. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, tea is a versatile drink that can be enjoyed all year round, adding a soothing touch to your heart-healthy routine. Our fourth contender is tomato juice, a veritable treasure trove of vitamins and minerals essential for heart health. Packed with vitamins C and E, iron, magnesium, and potassium, tomato juice is your heart's best friend when it comes to maintaining optimal blood circulation and regulating sodium levels. But the real star here is lycopene, a potent antioxidant that fortifies your arteries, lowers cholesterol levels, and significantly reduces the risk of heart disease. When shopping for tomato juice, opt for low-sodium and low-sugar varieties to maximize its benefits. Additionally, some experts argue that juicing tomatoes releases even more healthful compounds than consuming them raw. For those of us who struggle to embrace vegetables, our fifth option is a game-changer, green juice. This delightful concoction combines heart-healthy green vegetables with fruits and natural sweeteners like honey. Consider juices with a generous dose of apples, oranges, or citrus, combined with spinach or kale, both superfoods rich in calcium, iron, and inflammation-reducing flavonoids. However, a word of caution, when enjoying juices, ensure you maintain a balanced diet by getting adequate calories from other sources to complement your liquid nutrition. Now, let's indulge in the world of smoothies. When crafted with the right ingredients, smoothies can be a treat for your heart. If you have a sweet tooth, start with dark-skinned fruits like blueberries or pomegranates. If tangy flavors are your preference, consider a refreshing green lemonade. To maximize benefits, incorporate superfoods like spinach and chia seeds, rich in heart-boosting omega-3 fatty acids. Just like juices, smoothies offer a delicious way to incorporate heart-healthy foods into your diet, especially when blended with mango or banana for a natural touch of sweetness. Let's shift our focus to plant-based milk for our 7th choice. Dietary choices can vary from person to person, and some individuals can't consume dairy due to allergies or sensitivities. Others make this choice for personal or health reasons. The good news is that a heart-healthy diet doesn't hinge on dairy consumption. If you're on the non-dairy path, make sure to explore plant-based milk options derived from legumes, tree nuts, seeds, and cereals. Soy milk, almond milk, rice milk, and oat milk are a few examples. The nutritional content of these milk alternatives varies depending on the main ingredient, added ingredients such as sugar, and nutrient fortification. When choosing plant-based milk, prioritize those with added calcium and minimal sugar for optimal heart health. Our 8th selection is a delightful surprise, hibiscus tea. This tangy brew, made from the flowers of the Hibiscus sabdariffa plant, is packed with polyphenol antioxidants. Research has shown that hibiscus extract can effectively lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. In fact, a study found that consuming just 8 ounces 250 milliliters of hibiscus tea daily significantly improved blood flow, reduced inflammation levels, and lowered blood pressure when compared to drinking plain water. A simple and delicious way to support your heart health. Last but certainly not least, let's quench our thirst with citrus water. The simple act of adding a fresh slice of citrus fruit to your water can have remarkable benefits for your heart. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are brimming with essential nutrients and plant compounds, including flavonoids and essential oils. Research even suggests that daily consumption of lemon juice can help lower blood pressure, a critical risk factor for heart disease. It's a small addition to your daily routine with significant heart-boosting potential. Remember, choosing drinks rich in nutrients, healthy fats, protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is a delicious way to prioritize your overall health. Don't forget to consult your doctor if you have allergies or specific dietary needs. Thank you for joining us on the InfoIndex. Feel free to share your personal thoughts in the comments section below. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on new learnings.